Did you know that your kidneys work non-stop every day to filter your blood, eliminate toxins, and keep you healthy? But equally, you must do your part and provide them with the care they need to continue functioning optimally. Currently, we lead a racing lifestyle, without worrying much about what we eat or drink. Our kidneys can become overloaded and require a little help, so why not give them the attention they deserve? Fortunately, nature offers us a variety of foods that can act as allies for kidney health. In this video, we will reveal to you the 10 best foods that you can include in your diet to detoxify and cleanse your kidneys naturally. First, let's go into context. Do we already know what kidneys are and what their function is in our body? Yes, you probably already know them. Basically, these organs were introduced to us in biology classes at school. Do you think we should go a little deeper? The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, located in the lower back, just below the diaphragm, on either side of the spine. They are part of the urinary system and play crucial roles in maintaining the overall health of the body. Among their main functions, the kidneys are responsible for filter the blood. They remove metabolic waste, excess water, and toxins from the blood. These waste products become urine, which is then eliminated from the body. Regulate fluid and electrolyte balance. They control the amount of water and minerals, such as sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, in the blood. This is essential for maintaining proper blood pressure, heart rate, and muscle function. Produce hormones. The kidneys synthesize or activate several important hormones, such as erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow, and renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. Regulate blood pH. They help maintain the body's acid-base balance, which is crucial for the functioning of all organs and systems. As you will see, the kidneys are vital organs that play an essential role in overall health. However, like other organs, the kidneys can be affected by various attacks. Diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, kidney stones, and the improper use of certain medications are some of the main enemies that can put its proper functioning at risk. While you can't control some risk factors, such as age or genetic predisposition, you can take steps to protect your kidneys and keep them functioning properly. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, weight control, and moderate consumption of alcohol and tobacco, and preventive medical monitoring, can help protect them and keep them functioning properly for many years. One way to do this is to consume foods that can help cleanse and detoxify the kidneys naturally. These foods can prevent kidney stones, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress that can cause kidney disease. You'll be surprised at how much your health can improve just by adding these foods to your daily diet. So, without further ado, let's begin our tour. Number 1. Cranberry. Cranberries are a nutritious and delicious food that offers a variety of kidney health benefits, including preventing urinary tract infections, reducing kidney inflammation, and protecting against kidney stones. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be a natural and effective strategy to keep your kidneys healthy and strong. Cranberries are small red berries native to North America that have gained popularity for their nutritional properties and their positive impact on health, especially with regard to kidney function. How do they benefit the kidneys? They prevent urinary infections. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. One study found that women who consumed sweetened, dried cranberries daily for 2 weeks had a significantly lower incidence of urinary tract infection than those who did not. Not only do they benefit the urinary tract, but they can also help prevent infections in the bladder and urethra and maintain the overall health of the urinary system. They fight kidney inflammation that can damage the kidneys and lead to serious kidney diseases. They reduce the risk of kidney stones. Kidney stones, also known as kidney stones, are hard deposits that form and can cause severe pain. Cranberries may help prevent kidney stone formation by reducing the amount of oxalate in the urine, a component that contributes to stone formation. In addition, they are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants fight free radicals, harmful molecules that can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Protecting the kidneys from oxidative damage is crucial to maintaining proper function in the long term. Cranberries can be consumed in a variety of ways to take advantage of their kidney health benefits. Enjoy fresh cranberries as a snack, or add them to salads, yogurt, or cereal. You can make cranberry juice without added sugar, or blend it together with yogurt for a nutritious and refreshing drink. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon, that small fruit with an acidic and refreshing flavor, has great power inside for the health of our kidneys. Beyond its culinary use, lemon has become a natural ingredient with beneficial properties for this vital organ. Lemon is a natural ally for kidney health. Its richness in citrate, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a food that can help prevent kidney stones, reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and maintain overall kidney health. Lemon is rich in citrate, a substance that helps increase citrate levels in the urine. This helps prevent the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, one of the most common components of kidney stones. Its anti-inflammatory properties are due to its high content of flavonoids and vitamin C. These properties help fight inflammation in the kidneys, a factor that can contribute to the development of kidney diseases. It is an excellent source of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and citric acid. These antioxidants fight free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage kidney cells. Despite its acidic taste, lemon has an alkalizing effect on urine. This helps maintain an adequate pH so as not to affect kidney health. The easiest way to consume lemon for kidney health is to drink lemon water. It is recommended to add the juice of half a lemon to a glass of warm or cold water and drink it at the beginning of the day, before meals, or add a few drops of lemon juice to your cup of tea. Drinking lemon water can help increase urine production, which promotes the elimination of toxins from the body and helps maintain kidney health. Lemon can be used in various recipes, such as salads, fish, sauces, marinades, desserts, and drinks. Remember, although lemon is beneficial for the kidneys, it is important to consume it in moderation. Too much citrus can irritate the stomach and affect the body's acid-base balance. Number 3. Algae. They are a type of algae that grows in the sea that contain a treasure of health benefits, especially for our kidneys. Beyond being rich in iodine, essential for thyroid function and metabolism, it also has antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and polysaccharides that can protect the kidneys from damage induced by diabetes. Algae offer a universe of compounds that make them an exceptional natural ally for kidney health. A 2014 study found that feeding lab rats algae for 22 days showed a significant reduction in kidney and liver damage caused by diabetes. Thanks to the presence of alginate, a compound present in the cell wall of algae, they can act as chelating agents. That is, they have the ability to bind to heavy metals and toxins that circulate in the blood and digestive tract, trapping them and facilitating their elimination from the body through feces. Seaweed can be found in powder, fresh or dried. Include it in your diet by adding it to soups or salads, or to prepare sushi. You can also add a tablespoon of powdered seaweed to your favorite fruit smoothies, soups, creams, sauces, dressings, stews, and vegetables. It will give you an extra touch of flavor and nutrients. Add whole seaweed like wakame or kombu to your salads for a crunchy texture and marine flavor. Saute algae such as spirulina or chlorella with vegetables and tofu for a quick and nutritious meal with an oriental touch. Incorporate seaweed such as dulse or arame into stews, rice, or pasta for a colorful touch of Japanese flavor with a boost of nutrients. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic, that small white bulb with an intense flavor and characteristic aroma, is not only an essential ingredient in the cuisine of various cultures, but has also become a natural ally for health, especially for skin care. Of the kidneys. Beyond its culinary use, garlic has beneficial properties for the kidneys thanks to its active components such as allicin, quercetin, and selenium, sulfur compounds that are released when chopped or crushed, and is what gives garlic its distinctive smell. Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage and infection. It is beneficial for the treatment of serious kidney diseases, such as chronic kidney disease. Allicin reduces blood urea nitrogen levels, compounds that the kidneys filter. Allicin also regulates the levels of glutathione and superoxide dismutase, antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress that can cause kidney diseases. Finally, garlic also has diuretic properties. meaning it can increase urine production and help remove excess toxins and minerals from the body. This can prevent the formation of kidney stones. As you can see, garlic is very important for the health of your kidneys. To reap its benefits, you can eat garlic cloves raw, preferably on an empty stomach, to get the maximum benefits of allicin. Raw garlic is the most effective way to take advantage of its properties. It can be chopped finely and added to salads, sauces, vinaigrettes, or even enjoyed alone. Cooking them reduces some of the allicin content. However, it retains its beneficial properties if steamed, sautéed, or roasted. Number 5. Grapes. Not only are they delicious and refreshing, but they also have incredible benefits for your kidney health. Grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which is found in the seeds and skin of grapes. Resveratrol has anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic effects, meaning it may help prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. According to a study published in the Canadian scientific journal Physiology, Nutrition and Metabolism, resveratrol can even reverse kidney damage caused by a high-fat diet by restoring copper levels in the kidneys. Grapes also contain citric acid, a natural acid that can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Another benefit of grapes is that they can help reduce blood pressure, one of the main causes of kidney failure. As it can damage the blood vessels of the kidney and alter its function, they have a blood pressure lowering effect due to their polyphenols, plant chemicals that relax vessels and improve blood flow. Grapes, those sweet, juicy little spheres, are not only a delicious treat, but they are also a source of nutrients essential for health. To make the most of their benefits, I share some tips on how to consume them intelligently. It is best to consume them with the skin, which contains a large amount of fiber and other beneficial nutrients. Enjoy grapes as a healthy and refreshing snack. Add them to green, fruit, or quinoa salads for a sweet and crunchy touch. Try blending them with yogurt, milk, or fruit for a nutritious smoothie. Use them to prepare healthy desserts such as ice cream, jams, and compotes. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon, that summer fruit with an intense red color and unmatched sweet flavor, is not only a delight for the palate on hot days, but it also becomes a natural treasure for the health of our kidneys. Watermelon is a delicious fruit that can hydrate your body and cleanse your kidneys. It has a high water content, about 92%, which can increase urine production and helps remove waste products from the kidneys. Although watermelon has already been recognized for its high water content and its ability to stimulate urine production, thus benefiting kidney health, its benefits are not limited to this aspect. Watermelon also provides a crucial mineral for the proper functioning of the kidneys: potassium. Potassium plays a critical role in the body's balance of electrolytes, including sodium. An adequate balance between these minerals is essential for kidney health. 1 cup of watermelon, about 150 grams, contains about 230 milligrams of potassium. This amount represents approximately 6% of the recommended daily value of this mineral. Watermelon also hides inside a treasure for the health of our kidneys: lopine. This powerful compound, which belongs to the amino acid family, acts as a protective shield against various diseases, including kidney cancer. Watermelon is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. It is delicious, eaten as fresh fruit, whether sliced, cubed, or as part of a fruit salad. Prepare refreshing and nutritious smoothies, combining it with other fruits, vegetables, or yogurt, or homemade sorbets without added sugar. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can improve your cardiovascular health and lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for kidney disease, so keeping it under control can help prevent damage. Olive oil also has oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Olive oil also has polyphenols, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. You can use olive oil as a salad dressing, cook it, or drizzle it over your food. Number 8. Cabbage. Cabbage, that cruciferous vegetable with compact green leaves, keeps a treasure inside for the health of our kidneys. Beyond its culinary use, cabbage has become a natural ally thanks to its beneficial properties for this vital organ. The secret of cabbage's kidney power lies in its richness in anthocyanins, plant pigments that give red cabbage, a variety of cabbage, its characteristic reddish-purple color. These anthocyanins act as powerful antioxidants, fighting free radicals that can damage kidney cells and contribute to the development of kidney diseases. Additionally, they have anti-inflammatory properties and may protect against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Cabbage is also high in vitamin C, which supports immune health and helps reduce cell damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also increases the production of glutathione, a natural detoxifier that helps the kidneys eliminate toxins. Experiment with different recipes. You can consume raw cabbage in salads or cook it in vegetable soups, stuffed cabbage rolls, stews or stir-fried side dishes. Enjoying cabbage regularly, along with a healthy lifestyle, can help protect your kidneys and keep them functioning properly. Number 9. Apples. Apples are one of the best fruits for the health of your kidneys. They are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, which are risk factors for kidney disease. Pectin can also bind to toxins in your digestive tract and prevent them from reaching your kidneys. Additionally, apples are high in water and low in sodium, which can help remove excess fluids and salts from your body and reduce the workload on your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural Sciences and Food Research in 2011 found that apple consumption was associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease in women. Another study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology in 2015 found that apple consumption was related to a lower mortality rate in patients with chronic kidney disease. To get these benefits, try to eat at least one medium-sized apple per day, preferably with the skin on, as that's where most of the antioxidants and fiber are found. Number 10. Blueberry. It is another berry that can benefit your kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins that give them their blue color and protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage kidney cells and tissues and lead to chronic kidney disease. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory properties and can lower blood pressure, which is very good for the kidneys. Blueberry consumption is associated with significantly lower levels of urinary albumin, which is a marker of kidney damage. You can enjoy blueberries fresh or frozen, or add them to smoothies, desserts, food, or salads. The health of your kidneys is vital to your overall well-being. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet, along with healthy lifestyle habits, can significantly contribute to the natural detoxification and cleansing of your kidneys and enjoy better kidney health. Don't forget to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. While these 10 foods are excellent allies for the health of your kidneys, it is important to remember that they do not replace professional medical advice. If you have any kidney problems or concerns, consult your doctor. A health professional will be able to evaluate your particular case and offer you the most appropriate recommendations for your well-being. Remember that self-medication and abrupt changes in diet can be harmful to your health. That's it for our journey. Leave your opinion in the comments and tell us about your experiences. Do you eat any of these foods regularly? Do you have any advice or recommendations to give us about other beneficial foods? Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about the benefits of these foods for kidney health. Thanks for joining me. Leave your comments. And if you like the topic we discussed, give us a like. Subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. See you soon.